Wake up! Wake up!
The moment you stop sleeping. The moment you stop sleeping.
Make the bed. Make the bed.
Arranging the bed neatly after waking up. Arranging the bed neatly after waking up.
Brush teeth. Brush teeth.
Cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. Cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush and
Take a shower. Take a shower.
Washing your body under running water. Washing your body under running water.
Wash face. Wash face.
Cleaning your face with water and soap. Cleaning your face with water and soap.
Comb hair. Comb hair.
Styling your hair with a comb or brush. Styling your hair with a comb or brush.
Get dressed. Get dressed.
Putting on clothes for the day. Putting on clothes for the day.
Prepare breakfast. Prepare breakfast.
Making your first meal of the day. Making your first meal of the day.
Wash dishes. Wash dishes.
Cleaning used utensils and plates. Cleaning used utensils and plates.
Clean the table. Clean the table.
Wiping and organizing the dining table after meals. Wiping and organizing the dining table.
Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor.
Cleaning the floor using a broom. Cleaning the floor using a broom.
Mop the floor. Mop the floor.
Washing the floor with water and a mop. Washing the floor with water and a mop.
Do laundry. Do laundry.
Washing clothes either by hand or using a washing machine. Washing clothes.
Hang clothes. Hang clothes.
Drying wet clothes on a clothesline or rack. Drying wet clothes on a clothesline or rack.
Iron clothes. Iron clothes.
Removing wrinkles from clothes using an iron. Removing wrinkles from clothes using.
Water plants. Water plants.
Giving water to plants to keep them healthy. Giving water to plants to keep them healthy.
Vacuum. Vacuum.
Cleaning carpets and floors using a vacuum cleaner. Cleaning carpets and floors.
Dust furniture. Dust furniture.
Wiping away dust from tables, chairs, and shelves. Wiping away dust from.
Organize items. Organize items.
Arranging scattered things in proper places. Arranging scattered things in proper places.
Cook dinner. Cook dinner.
Preparing the evening meal. Preparing the evening meal.
Set the table. Set the table.
Arranging plates, utensils, and glasses for a meal. Arranging plates,
Light candles. Light candles.
using candles for light or decoration. Using candles for light or decoration.
Watch TV. Watch TV.
Relaxing by watching your favorite shows or movies. Relaxing by watching.
Read a book. Read a book.
Enjoying a book for relaxation or learning. Enjoying a book for relaxation or.
Check the mail. Check the mail.
Collecting letters or packages from the mailbox. Collecting letters or packages from the
Pay bills. Pay bills.
Settling monthly expenses like electricity or water. Settling monthly expense.
Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
Disposing of garbage outside the house. Disposing of garbage outside the house.
Lock the doors. Lock the doors.
Ensuring doors are locked for security at night. Ensuring doors are locked for
Charge devices. Charge devices.
Plugging in electronics like phones or tablets to charge. Plugging in electronics.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
Preparing for sleep after the day's routine. Preparing for sleep after the day's routine.